Hello students, as you know, the students from BA, that is Bachelor of Arts, those are going for normal subjects like BA, Psychology, Sociology, Economics, Geography or English Literature or Languages.
एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है आपका अपना चैनल ऑल शिक्षा में।
Now the question remains here, what are the options for them? So the first and foremost, we are going to talk here about the top 10 job oriented courses for the BA after completion of their BA. So that is the professional courses. Nowadays, understand the education system, the courses like engineering, management, pharmacy, science, these are considered as a professional courses, wherein arts is not considered as a professional course. But from arts, those are completed BA. After that, what are the professional courses available for them? Let us discuss. So first, as I in previous my video, as I spoke about, MBA is the first and primary most focused course for where the engineering students, management students, science students are really planning to go there. So why not BA student? And how BA is related to the MBA? Because many of the students of the arts, जिन लोग को अभी तक ये पता नहीं है कि MBA सच में अपने लिए है या नहीं है, बहुत लोग समझते हैं कि MBA is for only BCom. Let us understand how MBA is relevant towards the BA. Just take a look. Like as I said, how BA is more equivalent to the MBA. So here you can understand that we written BA. Now from BA, how many major specialization which are taken? That is like one is psychology, second is economics, third is history, then sociology, then geography, political science, and last is literature. That is languages. You can say languages. ठीक है? Now अभी जब हम सोचते हैं कि ये MBA कैसे रिलेवेंट है, जब अभी तक हम क्या सोचते हैं कि बीकॉम के स्टूडेंट MBA के जाएंगे, इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट MBA के जाएंगे, बट BA वाले भी बहुत रेलेवेंट एंड निश मार्केट है. सो एक एक लेते हैं. तो साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट कहा जाता है MBA HR करेगा. अगर MBA HR साइकोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट, BA साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट विल बी द मास्टर इन HR, एंड दैट इज द रीजन मेनी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट लाइक देयर आर ओल्ड इंस्टीट्यूट, दोज आर preferring psychology students for the MBA. There are few names which I don't want to take here, but this is one thing. The second important aspect is economics. Now BA economics, when you talk about the economics, yes, it is directly related to your finance. Now you will say economics and finance. Yes, economists are considered by various banks, even business newspaper, business channels, televisions. So economic student can reach to the finance. Then history students. Now history students also can go for marketing. Again you will say, what is the relation between history and marketing? So marketing is based on what exactly? It is a storytelling. It is a convincing to the people for their selling product. So those students have studied history. They have good examples from the history that they can engage with that examples and they can sell their products. So for the selling and marketing, history will be a right option. Then various ideas and concepts from history, they can get it here and can do the marketing campaigns and marketing contents. Then remaining sociology. Sociology again, marketing is CSR activities. Now you must be knowing in India the 2% of the profit by the listed company has to spend on CSR activities, and many of the top corporates have started their own foundations. So they also require people to manage their CSR funds. So what is the CSR funds? That is used by sociology people. So BA sociology students can do MBA marketing and or finance and can enter into the CSR activity. So when you talk about geography now, the geography student, BA geography student can go for marketing, and of course there are various jobs in particular new technological things, as well as there are surveys and all geological surveys, and there are many more things. Then next is the political science. It is important aspect. Political science क्या होता है, बहुत important है, क्योंकि यहाँ से आप मार्केट रिसर्च कर सकते हो, and market research marketing is a right option for the political science students, and they can really get a good jobs. Nowadays, you know the current condition in India, there are many parties and politics issues are there, so that they require a right person to use that market research. Also political science can go for the journalism also, which has a additional angle for the journalism people. And then that last comes about the languages, that is someone who is doing English literature or something, who can be a best student for the content writing, because nowadays digital marketing, social media is there, so for that it is required. Okay, these are the related to BA with MBA. After MBA, What are the other options? Now MBA is one which we explain as per the specialization and all. Now next is LLB and LLM. So law is also one of the option for the BA students where they can do very well. Again, the students from this psychology, sociology, political science will be the best suited students for the law. So for law, what you need to do? You need to again go with the entrance examination, law entrance examination, get admission in LLB and complete LLM and get into the courts. Now after law also, what are the important thing? It is not only to become a lawyer in the court. Now there are something called LPO. That is like legal processing outsourcing. जैसे KPO था, BPO था, business process outsourcing, like knowledge process outsourcing, LPO, legal process outsourcing. So various companies from abroad. So what they are doing, they are giving their law work to the people. Those are in companies in the different countries, and that is outsourcing. So the lawyers are required there also. So they are getting highly paid. So the students, those are doing a BA and then LLB, they are really good in law because if you have political science background and all. Then next is journalism. Now journalism again another related field. So now there is another course, BA in mass media. So that is also one of the specialization of BA in mass media and journalism. So that course journalism, again you become a reporter. Nowadays you know that these YouTubers and then your Insta news makers or some other like your traditional television, newspaper and all. So everywhere you required someone who can report very well, and that is journalism is also one of the field where if you are BA political science or BA mass media, you can very well enter into the journalism factor. Then next comes as I said, designing also another aspects which where BA student can go. Then after designing there is a visual arts, then VFX, then movie making. So all these factors are also there, but at the same time there is another called data science also. Now many times it is confused that can BA student go in the data science? Yes, they can't go in the detail, but wherein if you have some good mathematics, then you can be a part of the data science courses also. Then another, as I said, digital marketing and content writing. Diploma in digital marketing or content writing, that will be a really great option. Now students, those are doing the English literature or languages, they will be proper suitable student for the digital marketing and content writing for the media companies and various corporates. So guys, एक ध्यान दीजिए कि बीए किया मतलब आगे कुछ नहीं है, और ये बहुत सारे कोर्सेस है, ये सब कोर्सेस आपको काम आएंगे. So definitely we'll come up with another courses and another another specifications. We'll come back with the detailed job options after these courses also with the next video. So keep watching me. Thank you for watching me, and request you to like, share and subscribe and share it with your all friends where they can get benefit of this. Thank you for watching.